Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bill Potter with the WJTS News. After 10 long months, the moment that the public officials have been waiting for has finally arrived. The COVID-19 vaccination process is officially underway at Memorial Hospital and Healthcare Center in Jasper. The hospital began the monumental day at the vaccination clinic with a prayer and blessing from Executive Director of Mission Integration and OSB, Sister Rosemary Rexing. Gynecology physician Dr. Farah Snyder was the first healthcare worker to roll up the sleeve and receive the vaccine Friday morning. Over 350 frontline workers are scheduled to receive their vaccines on Friday. Nearly 1,000 doses were delivered to Memorial Hospital on Thursday, and another shipment is expected next week. To learn more about COVID-19 vaccine, visit mhhcc.org. Now, when it comes to the general public, it could be a few months until the vaccine is available. At this time, Indiana's vaccination distribution plan is as follows. Phase 1A is currently in progress now and focuses on vaccinating healthcare workers and residents of long-term care facilities. The timeline for Phase 1B has not been determined yet. Its focus will be on high-risk patients, but that is yet to be defined by the Indiana State Department of Health. The timeline for Phase 2 has not been determined either. It will focus on vaccinating those who work and or live in high-risk conditions, such as jails, the homeless, and critical infrastructure workers. General population will have access to the vaccination in Phase 3. And another DuBois County resident has died from COVID-19. The Indiana State Department of Health reported 76 new cases and one additional death on Friday afternoon. This brings the county-wide total to 36 deaths since the pandemic began in March. The county's 7-day rolling average for all positive tests is 18.6%. And this reminder again, the best way to protect yourself and others around you is by practicing social distancing, avoid large crowds, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, and wear a mask. And Jasper Mayor Dean Vonderheide is urging the community to play it safe during the holiday season. The mayor sent out a letter to residents on Thursday afternoon. In the letter, Vonderheide says larger family gatherings held without enforcing social distancing and mask-wearing guidelines have become super spreader events. He encourages residents to keep their families and social circles tight. Act as though you or everyone in the room with you are carriers of the virus. The Thanksgiving weekend has proven to be a source of a recent spike. Residents are urged to keep themselves and families safe by wearing a mask and practicing social distancing. The Alzheimer's Association raised over $20,000 this past October. At this year's Tri-County Walk to End Alzheimer's, 110 area residents helped raise $24,100. The money will go towards the Alzheimer's Association's programs to support the care, support, and research that the association does. Participants are continuing to raise money through the end of the year to reach their goal of $27,000. Donations are accepted online at http://act.alz.org/Jasper. Southridge High School is joining the Rural Early College Network. The Rural Early College Network helps students earn college credit while they complete their high school education. Southridge High School will receive $120,000 over 3 years as it works with the University of Indianapolis Center for Excellence in Leadership of Learning, or CEL, and a mentor high school. The Rural Early College Network helps rural Indiana schools more quickly implement the early college high school model. Early college targets underserved students and allows them to earn both high school diplomas and up to 2 years of credits toward bachelor's or associate degrees through rigorous dual credit classes supported by wraparound services. Recipient schools may use the funds for teacher credentialing, for dual credit instruction, professional development, travel to RECN meetings and conferences, and other items that each school specifically needs to support the students and staff. Schools also receive professional development on work-based learning and career readiness activities for students. The owner of a Jasper dog training facility is behind bars after allegedly neglecting dogs under his care. Ethan's Canine Solutions owner, 29-year-old Ethan Rose of Otwell, was arrested on 3 counts of animal cruelty and 2 counts of obstruction on Thursday. Jasper police began investigating Rose in August after receiving reports of dogs being neglected at the training facility. Officers were told that 1 dog left the facility in July and was immediately taken to the veterinarian by its owners. The dog was diagnosed with dehydration and was found to be severely underweight. Police say that 2 dogs died at the facility from dehydration a few days later. During the investigation, Rose allegedly made statements and threats to witnesses to not speak with law enforcement about the situation. Rose was arrested after police executed a search warrant at the training facility on Thursday, and he was booked into the DuBois County Security Center. Martin County, along with 5 other counties, look to see an increase in tax rates come 2021. Martin County's tax rate will be increased from 0.0175 to 0.025. Other counties that will see increases are Owen County, Randolph County, Shelby County, Switzerland County, and Union County. The rate increases will take effect January 1st, 2021. Local income rates are determined by county officials and provided to the Indiana Department of Revenue for review to make sure they are in compliance with state laws. These tax rates affect businesses with employees who live or work in any of these counties and have income tax withholdings. County tax rates for individuals are based on their county of residence as of January 1st, 2021. For those who aren't Indiana residents on January 1st, county tax rates are based on the individual's tax rate. Lieutenant Governor Suzanne Crouch and the Indiana Office of Community and Rural Affairs announced that 12 rural Hoosier communities will get grant money to improve water infrastructure, and one of the communities is local. The town of Leavenworth has been awarded $700,000 for a water system improvement. This project will deliver improvements to the Leavenworth water utility, including a new 60,000-gallon elevated storage tank with a tank mixing system. It will also demolish the existing tank, install new security fence around the tank site, and build a new control building. Grant money was part of the Community Development Block grants. With COVID-19 continuing to climb throughout the state and throughout the nation, many Hoosiers are relying on the internet to do their Christmas shopping, but it creates a problem. It all adds up to the perfect holiday storm for porch pirates. More porch pirates are expected to be on the prowl this year, waiting for the perfect time to snatch the package on your doorstep. Indiana State Police Jasper Post PIO Sergeant David Henderson explains what to do if your package gets stolen.
If you arrive at your home and you notice that a package has been taken, immediately call 911. The police will respond, and they'll take a report and investigate and try to find out who took your package and try to recover it for you.
Henderson says that once the police are involved, there is a process.
So once you call the police will come to your house, take a report, find out what item was taken from you, where it was shipped from. They'll canvass your neighborhood, and then they'll begin investigating the area to see if they can find out a vehicle description or person description, and then they'll have their officers attempt to locate and be on the lookout for any kind of package that matches yours.
Taking matters into your own hands can lead to dangerous consequences. Henderson says that leaving it up to the police can help keep you and your neighbors safe.
If you do catch somebody on your property who's going to take something from your property, we don't recommend that you confront them. Contact the police, call 911, let the police come, confront the subject, and apprehend them.
Henderson says there are options to prevent these thieves from stealing your Christmas spirit.
Someone there to pick up the package. Number 2, have it left at a neighbor's home who you know will be home, or you can buy bags or a locking type box and have the UPS, FedEx, US Mail all put those items inside that box or bag.
Even as a homeowner, there are ways you can help the police in catching the thief.
Or a good thing that people are doing now is to have the Ring system or some kind of video camera that's set up outside their house so they know when and where the package is brought.
If you suspect something suspicious, no matter how small it might seem, Henderson says that reporting it could be the key to solving the crime.
The old saying, if you see something, say something. That way we can keep everybody safe. And if somebody is in or around your house not supposed to be, contact the police and we'll come out and we'll see what they're doing around your property.
For more information about porch pirates, call your local law enforcement agency. Porch pirates are yet another reason to shop local businesses. Now stay tuned. Weather, sports, and inform are still to come on 18 WJTS.